welcome to Texture Myth. In this session, we will discuss about another method from Python, which is format. So for format method, I have declared many scenarios. So we will discuss one by one each scenarios and then we'll see the output. Okay. So first scenario, what we are doing, we are declaring two variables. So first variable is name, where we are assigning the value Sharmat, and second variable is age, where we are assigning 20. So what this format method will do, it will assign the value, whatever the value we are passing as an argument, it will assign those value to the given placeholder. Okay, so you can see here I'm storing the string. So double quote, my name is, and then in curly braces I'm passing like this curly braces is known as placeholder. So whatever the value we are passing here, it will be directly shifted to this curly braces. And I am, then again there is a placeholder, so this age will be directly populated to this. Okay, years old, and dot format name age plus and then we are changing the line with \n. So what it will do, it will make the string as my name is Sharmit and I am 20-year-old. Okay, so this would be the final output for scenario 1. So let's verify this. So for that I will press Ctrl Shift and tilde from my keyboard, and here I will try to run this program with Python, and my program name is session24.py, and then I will hit enter. So you can see it prints the multiple output. Now I will take it up, and here you can see the first output is my name is Sharmit and I am 20-year-old. So these curly braces is formatted or populated by this dot format method. So it takes the argument, and whatever the argument you are passing, it will be replaced by those placeholder. Okay, so this is one way. Another thing, suppose I am passing the argument, multiple argument here, but I want to pass that particular value at particular position. Okay, right now what it do, it pick the first argument and assign to the first placeholder. But what if I want to select a specific placeholder? Let's say if I want to shift this name to this second placeholder, then what to do? So let's see. So here you can see on scenario 2, what we are doing, we are assigning two fruits, fruit 1 and fruit 2 as a variable, and the value is apple and banana. And then we are printing the string I like, and then I'm passing inside a placeholder, I'm passing the value 1 and 0. So what it indicate? It indicate that first, so this is the 0 and this is the 1. So indexing is from 0. So it will pick the value from 0 from 1. So this is 1. So the banana will be come here, and then apple will be replaced here. Okay, so let's verify the output. Here you can see it comes like I like a banana and apple. What if I want to change? I can simply go and make it 0 and make it 1. So this time it will change the value. Let's rerun this program. So you can see it is executed. Now if I check the output, it is I like apple and banana. So okay, so this is how we can we can specify the value where we want to assign the value inside a placeholder. Okay, now we will go with the third scenario. In third scenario, you can see that we are declaring one dictionary which contain key and value pair. Okay, so this is key and this is value, this is key and this is value. So this time we are passing the key dictionary directly, and what it will do, it will fetch the data from a dictionary, and inside placeholder we will pass the key value, and then it will fetch the value for that particular key. Okay, so you can see, and this star we use just for unpack the dictionary. Okay, there is another way also where we can utilize dictionary without these star, but for now you can understand like this. Star is for unpacking the dictionary that we are providing to it. Okay, so what it will do, it will pass the value from name key to this, and from age key to this. Okay, so the output become my name is Alice and I am 30-year-old. Okay, so this is the one way. Now we will discuss about the fourth scenario. In fourth scenario, we are using one constant as a pi, and this pi value we want to move to this placeholder. And here you can see I'm using blank, then semicolon, then colon, and then dot 2f. So what it is indicating, it is indicating that we are fetching the data, but it should show value till 2 decimal point. Okay, so the output would be the value of pi is approximately 3.14. Okay, so instead of passing directly all the value, we are just deciding the decimal position. So 2f means it will pick only 2 after decimal. So if I do the page down here, you can see the value of pi is approximately 3.14. Okay, fine. Now we will see the another output. In another output, or in another scenario, what we are doing, we have stored one string twinkle twinkle little, and inside a curly braces I am passing this string directly. So here I am not using any variable. Here I am directly passing the value to this argument, this placeholder. So if I show you the output, you can see the string is easily replaced with the placeholder. So this is the fifth scenario. Now we will discuss about the sixth scenario. In sixth scenario, what we are doing, we are assigning the value as hello. Text is a variable and value is hello. Then we are printing the value, but here what we are using, inside a curly braces, or you can say placeholder, I am using colon, then this left angular bracket, and this is 10. So what it indicate? It indicate that it will move that value to this placeholder, but it will do the left alignment. This symbol is indicating left alignment, and it will make the width of the text as 10. That's why only that way we can assign it to the left side, right? So this is the width, this is the alignment type. So if I show you the output, you can see it is assigned with a hello, and it is of 10 length, and it is assigned left aligned. All right. In the same manner, in the second scenario, what we are doing, we are using this right angular bracket, and here you can see it will, this right indicator, this right angular bracket will indicate the right alignment, and width is same. So if I scroll down again, you can see this become right sided. So now the length is 10 and the value is shifted towards right. For the third scenario, we are using this symbol cap, and this symbol is indicating the center alignment. So same thing will be happen, but the value will be center aligned. So you can see this is the 10 length value, and here we are assigning the hello, so it becomes center aligned with this icon. Now these are the scenario. Now we will discuss the final scenario, which is seventh scenario. Here you can see that we are using one filler value also. So if you are moving this hello to this, and also we are concatenating it with world. Okay, so if I take space here, or it is up to you, like if you want to keep a space you can, otherwise you can leave that. Okay, so whatever the value you are passing to this placeholder, it will be filled with asterisk. So it will do the same operation, it will perform the alignment, but instead of space it will add the filler value. So filler value here is asterisk, so it replaces the extra spaces with asterisks. Okay, so you can see all asterisks have been populated here. Okay, in the same manner here also, then here and here. So these are the some common scenarios we can utilize in order to these are the some common scenario we can utilize with the format method in order to maintain the string formatting or to populate the value inside a placeholder. I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechSharma.